All right, the results are in. Woke up to a balmy 6 degrees this morning. So let's check the foundation temperatures and see what we got. This is an 8-inch thick poured concrete foundation above grade. So it looks like we're going to settle on about 50 degrees is the foundation temperature. Let's move over to the 1-inch foam. Looks like we're going to have 57.9 degrees. That's Fahrenheit, in case you're watching from anywhere else in the world besides the United States. On the 1.5-inch foam, we're going to have 58.4 degrees. Yep, 1.5 inches. I don't know the millimeters. You're going to have to figure it out yourself. And over to the big boy, the 2-inch thick foam. We're going to end up with a temperature of 60 degrees here on the surface. And just so you know, it looks like we have an air temperature of about 60 degrees down here in the basement. Let's crunch some numbers and see what we got. First, we'll check the price of the 2-inch foam. $53.48. Sorry kids, looks like it's going to be ramen noodles for the next couple weeks. And I'm just going to check the 1-inch foam. So $25 for the 1-inch foam. Let's crunch some numbers and see what we got. We'll start with the 2-inch foam. $53.48 minus 25 gives us a difference of $28.48 per sheet. I figure an average 1,000 square foot basement with 8-foot tall walls will need 33 sheets. That gives you a price difference of, we'll just call it $1,000 by the time you add in tax. So about $1,000 more gets you 2 degrees warmer on the inside of the foam when it's 6 degrees outside. So is it worth it? Well, that's for you to decide depending on your specific location and your exterior temperatures. Let's just say you live in Hell, Michigan. Today, currently 16 degrees, going to get to the upper teens, pretty chilly. But if you lived here in Turtletown, Tennessee, that's pretty nice. I mean, you got mid-50s, we're going to hit 61 on Monday, and it may not be necessary to install the thicker foam. Stay tuned as we explore other options like these fiberglass bats. I know they're frowned upon, but I'm going to put them in front of the foam to see if that increases the temperature.